this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on the Google Play Store. If it's not working or downloading things, we can just go to settings right here. Scroll on down to apps and locate apps under here. So here's apps. Now locate the Google Play Store. So let's go on down, find the Google Play Store. And then we can select it. Here it is. Now there's some things we can also try if it's not working is go up to the top and go to uninstall updates. Force stop it right here. Scroll on down, go to storage. And then we can clear the cache right here. And we can also go to clear data. And this says it will delete the data permanently, and this includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases. Then we can go back and we can just simply open it up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.